What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Let's talk about a position that I haven't talked about in maybe like a week or so, maybe like a week and a half. And it's been consistent where it's been hovering around these certain levels. And it's great to see that it's up so much from where it was where we first started. I always wanted to be a part of something that started at the bottom and works its way all the way up to the top, being worth multiple millions of dollars, potentially being worth hundreds of millions of dollars. You never really know what it could be worth in the end and what people can see within these plays. Now, Lucky's Lepercoin is a position that is a meme coin. It flows based off of, that thought process of, having that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Being able to find what a lot of people are looking for in things like SHIB or in Grok or in Pepe or in Floki or in Dogecoin, all these different plays that are up in the hundreds of millions or billions of dollars worth of a market cap. That's what Lucky's Lepercoin is looking to accomplish, but also looking to accomplish it in the form of a docs team, in the form of a bunch of security, and looking at a sniff score that is perfect, which I've rarely seen out there, and just doing it the best way that they possibly can. I've been hyped for this project as I started talking about it in the beginning. It was probably like the beginning of last month. Um, when I started talking about it, I saw so much opportunity. It was at $80,000 market cap. From that point, it moved up to a $2 million market cap, about a $2 million market cap. And honestly, it's not all about the market cap movement, but for some people, it's about gaining gains. And they were hype about those gains. Some other people, maybe they're not as hype about those gains because they held on for too long, right? Now, I always recommend that people take some of their initial investment, because if you invest into it at $80,000, right, and you put in $100 and it turns to $2 million, right, you end up having a 20x return, and now it's $2,000 that you have in there. What hurts you in taking $1,000 there? You now have $1,000 still sitting in there to see it grow for future days and future weeks and future months. So it doesn't hurt you to do that, but it keeps strength within the position, because now you already gained your initial investment back, and now you're holding for the long term to see what it could eventually be. Because now, while it's at, instead of a $2 million market cap, and maybe at like a 500,000 or $1 million market cap, you still have the ability to maybe 100x to some of these higher levels of $100 million market cap. So I'm always a fan of things that are secure, teams that are docs, moves that are made. And I feel like I missed some of these moves that we need to talk about with Lucky's Lepercoin. Now, if you guys want to check it out, I will provide all of the links down below for you guys to take a look. And if you guys like it, I definitely suggest that you research it a little bit more. Don't just take my word for it. You need to research it a lot more than what you're hearing here. I hate when people come to me and go, "Hey, I bought this position because of you." I don't like that, right? I like the fact that people buy it because of themselves, because of the research that they've done. So please do your own research, and you'll kind of see what I see, I would imagine. But anyways, if we look at Lucky's Lepercoin and where it stands, it's currently sitting at, it's down 1.4%, sitting at a $400,000 market cap with about $200,000 worth of volume. We do see that all of the circulating supply is released. You're looking at 711 billion Lucky's LP, which is 711. You got the lucky numbers because it's Lucky's Lepercoin. Now, with this position, again, this is a meme coin. If you aren't familiar with it, you can go and check out my original video breaking down exactly what everything is, and what are the strengths, and also looking at the sniff score. But I want to look at the things that have kind of changed since the last time of talking about it, right? So it's currently sitting at a level of $400,000 market cap, which is over a 4x from where it started at from the beginning. If you look at this and how the last 7 days, yes, it has come down by like 9 or 10%. You look at the last month, it's up by 152% from these low levels. It still is up a massive amount. And I don't know if it won't show me the market cap right now, but if it did show me the market cap, it would show an $80,000 market cap all the way to, the market cap that it's here. And you saw how much this has risen in that point, and also has risen a little bit more in November, in the middle of November. So this position currently is on some new markets. So there's some new things that happen. It is on 2bit. It is on Bitconomy Exchange, on Coinstore, and Tokepi. Now I know they're looking to list on other exchanges. These are like tier 3 exchanges, and you want to get listed on like tier 2, tier 1 exchanges, but you have to work your way up, and it takes time. And as you get listed on some of these places, hopefully I can help out with that. As you get listed on some of these places, it gives you a little bit more volume and a little bit more traction and a little bit more exposure and things like that. So it's good to see all of these things that are happening for Lucky's Lepercoin, because I like to see different projects make moves, especially ones that have potential. The issue that you would deal with, like with this, is the fact that for a developer, you don't have any type of tax behind the scene. So you can't really, you have to use your own money in order to fund this, in order to list on some of these exchanges. So if you can find a way to get some free listings, that's always a good thing, but you want to make sure you're picking the right places, because you don't want to just give out coins to any exchange and then they end up selling it because they see the value in whatever that is. So I hope I can help out with maybe some exchange listings and get listed on things like maybe Coin or something, maybe comparable to that, and then we can start to move from there, because I feel as though this could be so much more valuable as long as you have that ability to list on some of these exchanges, especially with the mindset behind it, the memeability, and trying to get to that pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. Now, if we look at the holders within the position, you're currently seeing 339 holders. So you want to see that grow. We want to see that at 400, 500, 1,000 holders, and just continue to grow as time goes on. Again, we're sitting at a value of a $400,000 market cap, meaning that as long as you get listed on exchanges, as long as you show the security, you can find a way to push up a lot further. But again, this is all just my opinion. I expect you guys to go through, maybe research it a little bit more, maybe understand exactly what Lucky's Lepercoin is and what they're trying to do. Go and follow them on Twitter. So let me see if I can bring up their Twitter. Lucky's. Yeah, you can go ahead and follow them on Twitter, which they recently hit 1,000 followers. So congratulations to them. And I think, again, they have so much potential. It's just whatever they end up doing with that potential, and also about how the community grows. So let me know what you think about this play. I know there may be some people that are for it, some people that are not for it. I don't expect you to go and just buy it. I expect you to do whatever research you can. But I'm trying to start from the ground up with a position, with a project, and hopefully we can build something to turn it into a multi-million-dollar cryptocurrency project that hovers around just trying to be that largest meme that it can be. So guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and eventually maybe even building some sort of use case within it, but not rushing into it, not rushing into NFTs, not rushing into staking. Take your time with this. And I've talked to the team about doing that. I think that's always a good thing, is taking your time with launching NFTs. If you have 10,000 or more holders, that's where you maybe can launch, 1,000 NFTs or something, and be able to have funding for launching on other exchanges, because that's really what you do that for, and also provide value within those NFTs. So anyways, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you check out any of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. I'll include all of the links to Lucky's Lepercoin if you guys want to check it out for yourself. But I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.